We live in a connected world with businesses now operating vast networks of supply chains. Logistics support these, and just-in-time delivery make sure the goods are where they need to be for the manufacturers and the suppliers. This, of course, works very well unless there's a disruption in any part of the supply chain. And we are seeing that in the current crisis with the impact of coronavirus or COVID-19. There is going to be an anticipation that there's going to be a challenge in the supply chain. However, what people could do is say, let's have a conversation about this. Let's work together and see if there's something that we can do in order to deal with this short to medium term crisis. The crisis will be over and people will want to continue to do business. However, they might need some assistance and they might need some guide as how to do that. They would, of course, need a process, and as emotions are running high, they potentially might not be able to provide that process themselves. So therefore, it's always useful to have the assistance of a professional facilitator to provide the guidance and shape of how the language is going to be crafted in order to reach some agreement. What businesses could do is they could use the services of a mediator or facilitator to enhance the creative problem solving, manage the emotion that will surface, and provide a way forward. This mediation or facilitation process can happen in a variety of different ways. Either can happen in person, over the phone, through video conferencing, or whatever mechanism is most appropriate. The most important thing, though, is to provide people with an opportunity to share some of their concerns, but also to think about creative ways of maintaining the relationship and seeking effective solutions. The suggestion is to engage proactively, have a process, manage the emotion, manage expectation, and ultimately engage with individuals and say, we recognize there is an opportunity to maintain this relationship, and by having a collaborative dialogue, we can certainly find a way forward.